Spanish omelettes can be served in a lot of fun ways. Here we'll show you our 3 favourites. Yummy! For the first recipe, add 1 tablespoon of olive oil and 50 grams of chopped onion to a pan. Heat them together, then stir in 150 grams of chopped potato. Stir well, and then add half a teaspoon of salt. When the potato starts to soften, it's time to mash them lightly. Then take 4 fresh eggs and whisk them together in a bowl with half a teaspoon of salt. Once they're mixed, add in your potato mixture. Like so. Split your mixture in half and heat in a pan with 4 slices of cheese on top. Followed by 3 slices of ham, 4 more slices of cheese, and finally the rest of your egg mixture poured over the top. Let the pan simmer for a few minutes. Then use a plate to carefully flip your omelette over like so. Add some more oil to your pan, then cook the other side of your omelette for a few minutes. When it's golden brown on both sides, it's time to serve up and enjoy some cheesy, hammy, eggy goodness. Take a nice big slice for yourself, and don't forget to share with friends. On to our second idea. Begin with 2 tablespoons of oil and 50 grams of onion again. When the onions have softened, add 250 grams of sliced potato and cook together well. Then set it aside. Take another 4 eggs, carefully crack them into a bowl, season them well with half a teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of black pepper, and then whisk everything together. Throw in your potato mixture and then stir gently together. Now cover your mixture with foil and allow it to rest for about 15 minutes. Heat up a couple of teaspoons of olive oil and then gently tip your omelette mix into the pan. Spread out your potatoes like this. As before, let it cook for a while before flipping it onto a plate, re-oiling the pan and cooking the other side for a few minutes. When it's fully cooked through, it's time to finally serve up. There we go, delicious! This one is a great recipe idea for the carb lover in your life. Finally, idea number 3. Crack 5 eggs into a bowl and add half a teaspoon of salt and pepper. Whisk everything together. Then heat up 2 tablespoons of oil and 100 grams of chopped onion. Get the onion cooked through and softened. Then it's time to add 200 grams of chopped mushrooms. Continue to stir and cook through until the mushrooms have softened. Then add 10 grams of chopped garlic and 5 grams of spring onions. Season with another half a teaspoon of salt and pepper. And once again, give the mixture a really good stir. Now it's time to pour over your egg mixture. Cover the whole pan and use a wooden spoon to carefully distribute the mixture. Allow it to cook for a while, and now, yes, you've guessed it, it's time to repeat our favourite heat, flip, repeat exercise. Very important when working with eggs to allow them to cook properly to prevent any sort of illnesses. Once your omelette is cooked, it's time to serve up. You'll end up with a delicious golden omelette which you can season with even more spring onion. This one is a great idea for a friend who loves packing extra veggies into their diet. Classic! And super tasty.